Sorry. Oh. Oh, I'm driving. I am. I don't want to either. I don't want to do that. I was just eating. Ooh, that was a tiny one. Oh, so many actions happened there. I didn't like any of them. Oh. Christ. I've never said that. That was weird. Oh! I hit my head because of that one. That guy made an illegal U-turn. Oh no. I was just wanted to eat my french fries before I ate my sandwich. Shit hurts. It hurts. It hurts. I'm part of the Bang Gang now. The Bang Gang. I'm not gonna die for hiccups. Alright. I'm driving, yes. Ooh. But you're getting what you're getting. I turned my overhead light on, that's all. Get on my lane! Thank you. Oh. Some of them hurt. Oh! Ball bags. They're gonna be paving the road on Sunday. Expect delays. I thought that last one said redheads get out, and I was like, I'm sorry. I'm dyslexic all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. Oh, fuck. All of a sudden I got adult onset ADHD. So they say. And I've been dyslexic as hell lately. Not horribly so, because like I can still read, but I mess up a lot more than I used to. I need to try to make it home without the hiccuping. Oh God, no. Stop. What the hell are you talking about? Get my pretty hiccup out of your mouth. We are not the same with or without. Don't talk about me like how you might know how I feel. On top of the world, but your world isn't real. The world's an ideal. Oh my God. Did you have fun? I really couldn't care less, so just give them my best. But just know, I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're the man, I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're the man, I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything, damn. Stop, please. Oh. I'm done. Oh. Shit. I don't know if I told you guys, I did make a video and it was in the title, but I didn't tell you guys that I got, oh, sorry. It took me like getting rabies to get hiccups again. But oh, some of them are silent, but they hurt bad. They're like, you know what? That's why I don't like to try to get them. Like, people are telling me to try to get hiccups. I'm like, no, shit hurts, and I don't like it. Do you like having the hiccups? Get the hiccups yourself. You know what? Get the hiccups yourself. And send me a goddamn video, alright? You better DM me that shit in my Instagram. I better see it, and it better be real. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. See. Oh. I'm a mess. I just got off work. I literally got a job because I was like kind of bored. Although I'm not bored anymore because my job is like, actually, I got it because I was bored, and now I'm actually serious about it because, hold on. Oh, I knew that was gonna hurt. I had to yawn really hard. Oh, fuck. But oh my God. Sorry. Oh, fuck. It hurts. I don't like it. Oh. Hello, yawning. Oh, fuck. Oh, I'm in a conundrum. My eyes are watering. I'm like crying. Not really, but my eyes are watering because I'm yawning and hiccuping. And you can't even see me. That's funny. But yeah, I got bit by a possum. I got rabies shots. They made me super sick. And then I learned that possums don't even get rabies. My doctor didn't tell me that. He just decided to let me spaz out that I could potentially have rabies. But I guess they give them to you just in case. That was a weird one. But, you know, because they don't want to get sued or anything. Oh, fuck. I just wanted to go home from work and eat my sandwich, which, as I was saying, I wasn't serious about work. I'm serious about my I'm more serious about this Twitch. I am, though. I also got in a car accident. I had a heart. I had a hard week. Oh. Oh. Alright, I'm yawning and hiccuping. My eyes are watering. Look at them. They're so wet. And I'm so sad. By the way, I got bangs. Hiccup crew. I got bangs. I don't know if you're following me. Some of you follow me in my other videos, which I appreciate. And it's just, like, I know shit's weird. Making video. Making videos of me just like hiccuping or whatever, but oh, maybe swallowing food like a great white shark or like a dinosaur or a bird is better than swallowing food like humans. I think the hiccups agree. You chew once and then you swallow. That sentence can be taken out of context. Please don't. Oh my god, will this ever end? I'm home and I'm trying to get inside. Oh my god, now that I look at this, I got 11 minutes. This shit. Don't talk about me like you might know how I feel. On top of the world, but your world isn't real. The world's an idea. I'm coming home. It's me, little babies. Don't worry about the weird noises. It's still me. It's just me. It's not a weird animal. It's mommy. It's mommy. Aww. Little babies. One normal kitty and one... Actually, he's a normal kitty because he's a wild kitty. They're the most normal. I thought something was on my chin. Oh, God. I'm having a moment. A moment. It's the longest moment I've ever had. That was funny. This is funny. It's funny sometimes, but also, like, I just want to eat my sandwich. That one actually censored me. That hiccup censored me. I was going to say I want to eat my fucking sandwich, and it was like, I want to eat my sandwich. Amazing. Amazing. Anything I say now, I'm going to hiccup. I'm gonna censor with hiccups. Censored right there. I almost said I'm gonna fucking censor it with hiccups. Fucking hiccups. Never mind. Nobody's even gonna know what I'm saying by the end of this. Meaning by the fucking end of this. Because my brain is backwards. It does kind of... Jesus. Who's that? Who's Jesus? Did I teach you guys about Jesus? No, I didn't. They don't know who Jesus is. They don't believe. You don't believe in little Jesus? Good girl. That was made up by humans. That's why cats don't believe in Jesus. That's your spiritual lesson. Anyway, I got bit by a possum on my face. Well, it's healed now. Look. So I got problems, alright? You know, I know this. We know this. It's healed. Look. It was 2 holes. It bit through my lip. And then they merged into one. One. So fucking weird. Don't mention me in a comment, you bitch. Sorry. I'm yelling at people on YouTube, or not YouTube, on Instagram because they don't know what they're doing. This dumb bitch was like talking about how her cat had babies and puts it as a comment. Balls. On Instagram. Like, I'm in the, what was it, LA? I don't know. I can't talk. I'm in the something area, and my cat is a slut and had kittens, and I was like, bitch, no, you didn't spay your cat, and your cat practically got raped. Because, honestly, like, female cats don't always choose, like, their suitors. And then she was like, a cat can't get raped. And I was like, are you fucking joking me? Like, really? How dumb can you be, honestly? Like, you just assume humans are the only animals that can get raped? That's kind of ridiculous. Especially when it comes to the fact that, like, God, I'm gonna throw up if I don't stop hiccuping. The, like, cats... Did it really just get worse? I'm trying to stand up for animals here. Protect me. Protect me, Saint Hiccup. I'd be an interesting saint. I wonder what he would do. Probably nothing. He was trying to get his way out. But, anyway, and then she was like, you know what? She was like, it's too late now. And I was like, what the fuck you mean it's too late, bitch? And I just talk like that, okay? Maybe some people don't understand that I just talk like that. Like, even the people I work with understand that I just say bitch in that tone. And I understand people on the internet might not think that. But I was like, what the fuck you mean it's too late? And she was like, well, she's already had kittens twice, so it's too late. And I was like, why would it be too late? Like, do you not understand? Like, if you can't understand how animals give birth, you yourself should never have kids. You fucking weird freak. As I do what I'm doing. She's a fucking weird freak.